New Delhi, the 7th January 2022. Your Beatitude, Cardinal George Allen Cherry. All the Syro-Malabar Synod Archbishops, Bishops, President CBCI and Nuncio. Appeal, recalling of Archbishop Kuriakose Bharani Kulangara and the entire Curia of Ernakulam origin in the Faridabad diocese who are acting in defiance of the Syro-Malabar Synod decisions. It is with extremely saddened hearts that we write this letter to you in this new year 2022. You are well aware about the recent happenings in the eparchy of Faridabad, Delhi regarding the refusal of the Archbishop to allow in the diocese celebrations of unified form of Holy Mass as directed by the Synod. Archbishop Kuriakose Bharani Kulangara was not at all ready to ask the clergy to accept the synodal decision. In fact, he coerced the clergy to sign appeal against the synodal decision to be placed before the Holy Father. Many priests working in the diocese were against the signing the appeal, but it is learned to know that Kuriakose Bharani Kulangara forced the priest with dry consequence if they did not sign. The Archbishop Kuriakose Bharani Kulangara has only one motto, which is to extract money from Delhi and promote schism in Ernakulam Angamali diocese. There is no transparency regarding expenditure of money collected in tens of crores of rupees over the last 10 years from the laity. He had purchased and spent a huge amount so for his residence come Bishop House without analyzing prevailing market value, and as a result, if we sell it today, we may get hardly half of the amount. To our extreme chagrin, it is to be noted that on or after November 28, 2021, Archbishop Kuriakose didn't celebrate public mass in the diocese. Even on the eve of Christmas, he didn't celebrate public holy mass, obviously because he does not want to say the synod approved holy mass. We have been told that the Archbishop is organizing the ordination of 6 new priests from the Faridabad diocese in the Edapalli church at Ernakulam. With great concern, we believe that the program would be conducted in the older form and not approved by the Synod, particularly the Holy Mass. It also means that all the relatives of the 6 priests and others from different Syro-Malabar dioceses in Kerala will be forced to attend the non-Synod approved Holy Mass at Edapalli. This has to be stopped. Why is it being conducted at Ernakulam, where the vicar of the major Archbishop of Ernakulam has prohibited the synod-approved mass? We are seriously concerned. Therefore, we appeal before your Beatitude and Syro-Malabar Synod to ensure that the money of the diocese is misused for rebellion in the church. We humbly plead with your Beatitude and the Syro-Malabar Synod to please recall Archbishop Kuriakose Bharani Kulangara along with the entire Curia of the Faridabad diocese immediately. In case if you are not authorized to do so, kindly approach the Holy See with facts and figures shared by many laymen from our diocese. We would like to bring to the notice of your Beatitude and the Syro-Malabar Synod the fact that even though de facto almost all the parishes of the Faridabad diocese are having only synod-approved Holy Mass due to the unanimous decision of the parish councils. However, still the circular issued by the Archbishop requiring mixed holy masses in parishes has been withdrawn yet. A deliberate attempt is being made to make a diocese as a subsidiary of Ernakulam Angali diocese, which will be opposed by all means by the laities of Delhi NCR. We strongly and fervently and with all our strength appeal before our Beatitude and the Syro-Malabar Synod to please don't let Ernakulam bishops and priests rule over the Faridabad diocese and exploit the laity and the parish wealth and savings amassed by the laity through their immense sacrifices of many years for subserving the reformers' personal ambitions and evil motives. Laities of Delhi NCR are originally across the diocese of Kerala. We appeal the Syro-Malabar Synod to consider appointing priests, vicars from all the Syro-Malabar dioceses of Kerala in our parishes either permanently or for a certain duration of time. With folded hands, we once again appeal you to kindly replace Bharani Kulangara and the entire Curia of Faridabad diocese to save the Syro-Malabar Church in Delhi NCR and up north of the country. Yours faithfully in Lord in Christ. Your name, address, extra. Please note, we all can change the name and mobile numbers accordingly with changes in the above draft memorandum.